I'm Sushil Sancheti, Vice Chairman, Jain International Trade Organization, Hyderabad Chapter. Jain International Trade Organization, properly known as JITO, is a trade organization body to enhance the interest of the businessmen belonging to Jain community. During this COVID period, we have taken up the initiative of serving the community at large by opening a COVID care center. In the first wave of the COVID, during the previous year, we have had a COVID care center at Hotel Mansarovar Fern, Begumpet. And in that also we had served a lot of patients. And in the current COVID crisis, we have started a COVID care center at Lemon Tree, Banjara Hills, Road number 1, along with Mahavir Hospital and Research Center. I am a treasurer trustee at Mahavir Hospital and Research Center also. So there is a seamless integration between the COVID care center and Mahavir Hospital and Research Center. Any patient which requires hospitalization is transferred to Mahavir Hospital on a priority basis, or any other hospital based on the choice of the patient. Apart from this, we also are taking care of the patient in terms of testing as required under COVID pandemic, a whole COVID profile test, and also the required medication is provided. We have a team of doctors, nurses stationed at the COVID care center to take care of the patients. We have one of the leading caterers serving 3 times meals plus high tea and other required nourishments to the patients. We are glad to inform that we have almost admitted and discharged successfully more than 200 COVID patients as on date. It's only 1 month since we have started this COVID care center, and we have been quite pleased to get a feedback of happy and healthy patients going back, which is a major achievement for us, and which was what we intended to do when we started this COVID care center. The process of admission is that any patient, we have helpline numbers, about 5 to 6 helpline numbers where a patient will call, and then we take his general parameters like what is his temperature, what is his age, what are his symptoms, and then we try to get his reports and refer it to the doctor. Then doctor talks to the patient and then he decides to admit a patient, because a COVID care center is not a hospital, it is an isolation center where the patients who are COVID positive can come and take rest, can get isolated from their other family members and stay till the time they become COVID negative. So therefore, a doctor takes a call whether a patient can be admitted at an isolation center or he needs to go to a hospital, and based on that call, the patient is admitted. And once the patient is admitted, we again do the test which he has not done or as required, and therefore as per that we provide the required medication at the isolation center. See, when there is an emergency, the good thing is that the distance between our isolation center and Mahavir Hospital is only about 5 to 7 minutes. And we have an ambulance stationed at the isolation center. If there is any emergency, the patient is immediately, based on his emergency, is shifted to Mahavir Hospital, or if you would like to go to any other hospital, which is a choice of the patient, we immediately shift him seamlessly. And we have about 40 beds at Mahavir Hospital dedicated to COVID, and we have been running full. But whenever patients are coming from our isolation center, also we are giving them admission. Therefore, the patient can be rest assured that in case of any emergency, he will be shifted to Mahavir Hospital or any other hospital of his choice. So for 7 days, we are charging about 40,000 rupees per patient, which includes food, which includes the stay, which includes basic medicine kit, which includes other medical apparatus required kind of for a COVID patient. It could be a respirometer, it could be a digital thermometer, it could be a mask, sanitizer, and some other things as required. Plus, basic medicines of about 2,000 rupees are provided him. Then we are giving him breakfast, lunch, dinner along with dry fruits and high tea to all the patients, and with a 4-star hotel accommodation, which is 40,000 rupees for a period of 7 days. If there are 2 people coming from one family, it's like a twin accommodation, then it is 30,000 per patient. April 23rd is the date we started this COVID ward, and as of today we have served 200 plus patients, and already another 50 patients are at the center, isolation center. So till date we have almost admitted 250 patients, and of which 200 patients have been discharged successfully. I would only like to say all the public that this pandemic is something which has left deep scar on the society, on every family, directly or indirectly. Many people have lost their loved ones. The only thing is we go and maintain the COVID protocols, social distancing, wearing of mask, washing of our hands, and improving our immunity, and also making sure that if we have any symptoms, to isolate ourselves and make sure that we don't put anyone else in danger, because as a citizen it is our responsibility also towards the society that we behave in a proper and a disciplined way so as to overcome this COVID pandemic. Thank you.